Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's short video I will teach you how to fix iPhone mail app notifications not showing in iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, when we install any new application in our phone and open it, we are asked whether we want to make the notification active or inactive. At this time, many people mistakenly disable the notification, which causes the mail application notification to stop appearing on your screen. First, press and hold your finger down on mail app icon. In the pop-up menu, select remove app. Then select delete app in the next pop-up menu. Now go to App Store and find the mail app. Now tap on the app's download icon to install it. So guys, after installing the app, go to the settings menu on your device. Swipe down to see the mail and tap on it. On the mail app, tap on account and then tap on your mail. Here, toggle on the mail. Now go back to the home screen and open the mail. So guys, as soon as you open the mail app, you will see a pop-up menu. As you can see asking you, would you like to send you notification? You click on allow. So guys, if you don't get this pop-up menu, another way to fix this problem is even easier. Go to the settings menu to fix it. Swipe down and tap on notifications. Now find and tap on mail. Here, switch on allow notification at the top of the page. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.